Role Play Equipment is proud to introduce the Balancing Bridge, product code FE17, an exciting outdoor play equipment designed for kids aged 4 to 12 years. With a height of 10 feet, a length of 16 feet, and a width of 2 feet, this equipment can accommodate 5 to 7 children at a time, making it perfect for group play. The Balancing Bridge is crafted to help kids develop balance and coordination in a fun and engaging way. In the middle of the equipment, there are 7 circular tubes that children can walk on, stepping from one tube to the next while maintaining their balance. To assist them, a sturdy rope stretches from one side of the bridge to the other at the top, providing extra support as they cross. This way, kids can reach for the rope to steady themselves while carefully walking across the tubes. Our balancing bridge is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability, strength, and safety for all young adventurers. It's a well-designed addition to any playground that encourages active play, helping kids to build confidence and enjoy outdoor fun to the fullest.